Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use ChatGPT to study better. First, try asking it to break down difficult concepts into easy-to-understand language, like explaining quantum physics as if you're 5 years old. You can also request practice questions on specific topics, complete with comprehensive answers to test your knowledge. Furthermore, ChatGPT can condense lengthy readings into concise summaries, saving you valuable time. This approach helps you grasp information more efficiently and effectively. Take your studying further by having ChatGPT craft personalized study guides. Just tell it your preferred learning style, and it will adapt. You can also engage in simulated debates with the AI, presenting arguments and receiving counterpoints to solidify your grasp of a subject. For those tricky abstract concepts, ask ChatGPT to provide creative analogies or metaphors, making them much easier to visualize and remember. ChatGPT is excellent for academic writing. Use it to brainstorm innovative essay ideas and develop robust outline structures for your papers. It can also provide valuable feedback on your writing, pointing out grammatical errors and suggesting improvements for clarity and conciseness. Additionally, if you encounter complex academic jargon, ask ChatGPT to translate it into simpler, more accessible terms, enhancing your comprehension. To truly maximize your study potential with ChatGPT, remember to always cross-reference its information with trusted academic sources. While incredibly helpful, it's a tool to aid your learning, not a substitute for your own critical thinking and analysis. Use it to spark ideas and clarify concepts, but always engage your brain. And hey, for a different kind of upgrade, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.